Check out our newest feature release, Auto Forward on Calendars. Now, your users can easily find the next open time slot. So what is this feature all about? Well, the CRM's calendar now features an auto navigate function. Your people are going to be automatically shown the next available appointment for booking. How great is that? The other thing that is really awesome is you don't have to do anything to get this set up. It is already in your account and all ready to go. I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about it. So why this matters and how it's going to help you. Now you can seamlessly move to the next available time slot without manual navigation. This is going to allow you to eliminate the need for your users to search for open time slots in different months. They're just going to be taken there. This is going to seriously streamline the scheduling process for your people. I don't really need to show you how to set this up because it's already set up. So I'm just going to give you a quick refresher on those calendar settings. So first, I'm going to have you go to settings within your CRM. From settings, I'm going to have you click on calendars and make sure you are in the calendar sub menu at the top navigation. Once you're in there, you're going to go ahead and find the calendar that you'd like to edit, and you're going to click on the three dots, which is also referred to as the kebab. Once you're there and you click those three dots, I want you to click Edit Next. Now, you're going to go ahead and you're going to edit this calendar availability as needed. Go ahead and customize those settings and save that calendar. Now, if you are not utilizing that calendar within a funnel or a website, you can simply copy that scheduling link, and you can also do this to test that calendar. So I'm going to also have you click on those three dots again, and I'm going to have you go to copy the scheduling link. Go ahead and paste that link into any browser and pull up your calendar. Now you're going to be able to see that you are automatically put on the next appointment available. How great is this? This is how your customers and your users, your prospects, and anybody booking on that calendar are going to go ahead and see this. They're immediately going to be shown that next appointment available. I love this. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.